year. So I was one of the weirdos in January of 2020 watching clips from Twitter of people like having this crazy COVID thing. And I was running around, I was getting stuff in January and I was freaking out. And then in February, it's good I stocked up on all my food and stuff, because in February, everyone started freaking out. And me and my wife, we did a Passover and we prayed for help. And we hadn't had any children yet. We had been married for 5 years and we were praying that we'd be able to start our family. And the next day, we find out that my cousin, who struggles with drug addiction and some things, she had a baby. We didn't even know she was pregnant. And CPS called us and asked us if we would be foster parents for her. So the next day, we got approved to be foster parents, and we went and visited her in the NICU. And she was in there for a few more days, and then we took her home from the hospital. And this was middle of February, the 2-week shutdown. And I had to buy everything you need for a baby in 2 days. So we went to Bye Bye Baby. We spent $2,000 on baby stuff and 2 carts full. And I go up to the lady, we're checking out, and I'm like, I just found out today. And I'm wigging out. And the lady looks at me at the cash register. She's a young girl. It's like, what is wrong with you? Like, why are you buying formula? You just found out she's pregnant? And my wife's like, no, we're going to be foster parents. We found out yesterday. So we got to get everything. We're taking her home from the hospital in a day. And she's like, oh, okay. But I just think it's funny. I was out of my mind. Meanwhile, back to bikes. Meanwhile, during the COVID shutdown, I'm getting a phone call every 5 minutes for bike repair. You know, I need my bike fixed. I need my bike fixed. And I can't even keep up with it. So when you become a new parent, she's waking up 4 times a day, 4 times in the middle of the night. You're not getting any sleep. Not only that, we had weekly visitations down in Salt Lake that I had to schedule. Usually they didn't show up and we didn't have to drive down, but I'd have to book out 6 hours to drive down for the visit and drive back. We had almost weekly lawyer hearings that we had to sit through, judges, just a lot of stuff. To be a foster parent, it's basically a 30-hour, it's like 20-hour weeks just to do the foster care stuff that you don't have to do with a kid that you're not fostering. So my COVID year, I feel bad. Recycles Bikes, he was talking about doing $1,000 days, and it's like, I worked like 3 days a week during COVID, and I made decent money. I feel a little bad because I had hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of phone calls that I couldn't even get back to them to say that I was too busy and to think of me next time. So a lot of missed opportunities with my business. I wouldn't trade it for anything. I'm glad I'm a parent. We did the foster care for a year. We legally adopted my daughter. So she's a permanent Smith. She's a permanent fixture in my family. So